Hello friends, in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you how to clear cache in cPanel. But before getting started this video, make sure to subscribe. How to 1 minute. So first of all, open your cPanel and then in this search box type here cache and then click on Lightspeed Web Cache Manager and scroll down and click on Flush All. This will clear the cache, so click on OK. And if you want to remove your WordPress cache, click on here and click on Flush All. Okay, so this is how we can clear cache in cPanel. If you find this video helpful, make sure to subscribe. How to 1 minute. Thanks for watching this video.